Hi. Have you ever wanted to make your own version of Nutella, but healthier? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to use pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. Now, pumpkin seeds are very healthy because they're high in protein, they're high in good fats. They also provide a variety of minerals like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, selenium, calcium, goes on and on. So, we're going to use pumpkin seeds. I got raw unsalted pumpkin seeds. And then we're going to add some chocolate to it along with some coconut oil. So I've got the pumpkin seeds already roasted in my food processor. And I'm just going to get it started. As you can see, it's whirring up pretty good. So I'm not adding the other ingredients until I've got it into ground into a good mix. Okay, should probably do that now. So at this stage, as you can see, it kind of looks like ground flax seeds. Yeah, it looks like ground flax seeds at this stage. And then I'm going to grind them up a bit more and add the chocolate. And so this is my chocolate mix. So it's about 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and also the same amount of chocolate chips. In my case, they're vegan, but you could use regular chocolate chips. And I'm going to put that all together, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks. Okay, I'm back. It took a bit to blend this, and I had to add another tablespoon of melted coconut oil and chocolate chips. But the end result, look at that. Look at that. Nice and creamy. So you have to do this in stages when you're blending it because, you don't want your food processor to overheat. And it takes a little bit. It's kind of like a stop and go. Get it going, blend some more, keep going. But I think this is really nice. So think of this as like something you could put on a cracker. I'm just going to show you. And, maybe using cereal in the morning, spread on toast, like all the ways you think you might use hazelnut. Maybe use it as a filling for like a peanut butter crap. Instead of peanut butter, you're using, your pumpkin seed butter. So you could use it that way as that kind of treat. So there's all kinds of different uses for this chocolate pumpkin seed butter. And I think you will enjoy it. I added a little bit of cinnamon to it and, sprinkle of ginger just to give it a little bit of flavor, a little more flavor. But, that's kind of whoever makes it. You kind of decide what you want to do. But I think you would really enjoy it. So thank you for watching. And please like and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Mm.